Round number 14. Again, I'm not showing the chart because it's very easy to do. The raising loop here, and we continue narrowing the rooms like we did before. Into the first element we make into the top front post unfinished double crochet, and into the second element again unfinished, one top, one front post double crochet into the next element, and again cluster, one unfinished, second unfinished, one top. Here we make two loops, a treble crochet into the arch, 1, 2, 3, two loops, and one double crochet into the basement of the treble crochet, two loops, and again we go to the room. We continue the same cluster, first and second unfinished, one top, one front post double crochet, and again cluster, one unfinished, two unfinished, and the same element here, two loops, treble crochet, two loops, and double crochet, treble crochet, two loops, double crochet into the basement of the treble crochet, and again two loops. This way we continue the whole round. In the end, let me show you how we're going to make a slip stitch. Two loops are done, so we find the top of the first cluster here. That's it. I see you soon.